What's more perfect than exploring other cultures and dipping your toes in turquoise waters and doing these things with your family and, of course, your brothers and sisters at Wisdom for the Blind, a nonprofit 501c3 organization dedicated to blind or vision-impaired individuals. Don't miss Wisdom for the Blind's annual Forum at Sea aboard the Carnival celebration, with games including mini-golf, relay races, basketball, morning fitness workshops, and more. There will be insight workshops on various technologies, medical advancements, and government programs for the blind or visually impaired. We will have events for your guide dogs who are also welcome. We're excited to announce that Tyler Marin, a multi-Paralympic medal winner for the United States Paralympic team, will be one of our keynote speakers. He will be sharing his amazing story and achievements throughout his life. There are more exciting events that will soon be announced as we get closer to this dynamic event. The cruise will set sail from Miami on October 27, 2024, and will go through amazing ports like Cozumel and Costa Maya in Mexico, and Mahogany Bay and Roatan, along with 3 spectacular days at sea. Make lasting friends and incredible memories while learning about fabulous cultures and customs. The cruise starts at just $405 per person based on double occupancy, not including taxes and fees. Go online to w4tb.org/forum or email us at forum@w4tb.org to book now. Space is limited, and don't forget to share the wisdom and tell a friend.